I met two people yesterday. Saurabh, his coach. I feel like in a loop of frustration when I see those incredible job opportunities out there, promotions waiting to be snatched, and here I am, limited by my own limitation of English language proficiency. Unquote. Are you also on a trampoline that refuses to bounce you higher? On the other hand, I met Surbhi, looking all determined. Quote, I refuse to surrender to my language barrier limitation and let my dreams be squashed. I want excitement, fulfillment, and growth in my personal life. Watch out, you world. I am on a mission to master English communication and break through the glass ceiling. Who do you relate to? Take action.